guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some really affordable ways to make a beautiful fall tablescape. I know in my fall video you guys were loving the table and the buffalo check, so I am going to tell you where I got everything and also how I made this beautiful wooden box, as well as how I've got all of the filler here. I'm also going to show you some really affordable ways to make your table look beautiful with dollar store items. Yes, dollar store items. So I'm going to do a mix of variety here, some really affordable things, some things that are not from the dollar store, but still can make a huge impact for very little money. So let's get started. Okay, so I have this eucalyptus here I purchased from Michael's. It is $4.99. I got it 50% off. You can try to find them at Walmart and Hobby Lobby. I did not have one close to me, so I just went with the ones at Michael's. I really like these, and I just put them on the table as so, and just tried to flatten them out a little bit. Then I'm going to take this white pumpkin I purchased from Michael's about 3 years ago. They still have them. I think they're $5 now. A paper mache pumpkin and a dollar spot pumpkin from Target from last year, and just set it here. It's very simple, sweet, a very neutral, simple statement. These gold chargers are from the dollar store, $1, and they are very good quality. Then I received these plates from my sweet friend Christina, and these are from the Family Dollar. I think they were $1.50 each, and they are the melamine plates, and they are just beautiful. Then I'm taking some lamb's ear that I tied a little jute on the bottom and some faux lavender as well, with a little jute bow at the bottom, and I'm just going to place it on the top. It's simple and it's sweet, and it just makes a sweet little statement. Side note, you can get some of these pumpkin plates with a little bit more orange and some wood grain chargers online at the dollar store and have them shipped to your local dollar store, and they will be right there for you. You can get them in quantities of 6 or more. Then I'm taking some pumpkins from the filler that I used in my decor around the house and just putting them on top. I think it looks really good, just having a pop of a muted orange. But then I decided, let's try something else. So back to the lamb's ear, back to the lavender. This is just a very sweet little statement. I really like how it just comes together, but I'm going to show you how you can layer everything and make it get a little more extra each and every time. So now I'm going to take everything down, and I'm going to show you the process of just adding some more things and kind of the thought process behind how I decorate. I love to watch people do this, so that's why I've included all these steps. I am taking these little glass candle holders from the dollar store, $1 each, and going to add these pumpkins on top just for some height. As you can see, when I am decorating, I'm always moving things around so I can get the best feel and placement for things. So it's okay to move things around, and even if you have to put it back to the way it originally was, at least you know. Now I'm adding some beautiful cotton stems that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. You can get anywhere, and just adding a little bit of fluff and some color to this centerpiece here. So now I'm going to add the well-loved buffalo check tablecloth. This was purchased from Marshall's this year, and it was $9.99. I think that's a really good price. I know Hobby Lobby has it right now, and it should be about 50% off, maybe even more. So definitely check that out if you're looking for something like that, or Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Marshall's, like where I got mine. As you can see, it is just layer upon layer. You see how I gradually build on what I have, and it just makes a little more of a statement. Even just as simple as the table runner, the eucalyptus, and the white pumpkin is just really sweet and beautiful. Simplistic, but yet has a beautiful touch. Now I'm going to add this wood box. I made this box at a craft party. I can get you the exact dimensions if you guys need them. Super easy, and you can take all of the wood from Home Depot and have them cut it there. You can buy scraps for just about nothing and have them cut everything for you there and just screw it all in. It's super easy. I actually stained it and then painted it white on top with the Vaseline treatment. I can show you guys how to do that if you want to give it that distressed look. Then I'm taking this succulents I have had since my fun little summer project, and I've just been reusing them throughout the year, and I really feel like succulents are such a fresh way to liven up a space. Now I used the filler from Hobby Lobby I showed in my fall home tour, and also my hand painted pumpkins to fill the wooden box up. I also added some antlers from my Walmart shop with me and filled those in there. Antlers are really big this year and they are really cute. I love the natural aspect that it adds to that centerpiece. Now I'm going to add these beautiful wicker placemats. I think it's called water hyacinth, I can't pronounce it. And I purchased them from Bed Bath & Beyond for $4.99. IKEA also has them for the exact same price, and that is the best price I have found, better than Amazon. So if you guys find these, get them. So I love the way that it just layer upon layer, it just adds more of a bold statement and just looks like everything is really coming together, and that was my goal here. I just wanted to show you, if you keep adding a little here and there, it just makes it look cohesive and beautiful. I'm going to take my regular old everyday Corel anti-break, anti-scratch plates that are my favorites, and I'm going to put those on top and just show you how everything comes together. I love the pop of white, so it really just puts the focus on the greenery. You could also add pops of orange or aqua, grays, it doesn't matter. You make this look beautiful for your own style. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it gave you some really good ideas and showed you that you can make a beautiful tablescape with not a lot of money. You've got to get creative. Just go to Pinterest and look at some ideas and you can see so many things. But I hope this kind of helped you out. I hope this inspires you to make a beautiful tablescape this Thanksgiving. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.